Okay guys, I'm going to show you daily cipher morse code for today and as well as to decrypt it. So what the first thing you do is to switch to daily cipher mode by clicking the button at the top of the interface at the middle. So the so the, what you need to decrypt the code for today is the international morse code, which can be downloaded from the Google app or I just screenshot my own. So let's move on to the daily cipher morse code for today. As you can see in the international morse code, the letters and number are represented in dots and dashes. So for beginners, for a dot is one tap, for a dash is a hold. Okay, so let's move on to the daily cipher morse code for today, which is born, BURN. So we'll go to international morse code and look for B, which is dash dot dot dot. A dash dot dot dot. I've gotten B. So look for U dot dot dash dot dot dash. I made a mistake. Remember, if you make a mistake, everything will clear. So let's start over again. For a B is dash dot dot dot. One dash, three dots, dash dot dot dot. For U, dot dot dash, dot dot dash. What's in U? For R is dot dash and dot, dot dash and dot. R. So the last one we're looking for today is N, which is dash and a dot, dash and a dot. As you can see, I've gotten my daily cipher morse code price for today, which is 1 million tokens. So follow the step I have given you and get your own 1 million tokens for today. If you like what I'm doing, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.